Hello everyone and Happy New Year. It is 2022 and we've got a bunch of new videos on the way. Today we're going to take a look at the Playmobil Sports and Action themed 4-in-1 multi-sport carry case. This set includes 2 clickies and 4 different types of sports they can play. I do want to apologize first of all for the lack of lighting. We've had a bit of a technical difficulty and I'm going to do the best I can with the very limited lighting that I have for this video. If I have to, I'll have to redo it. But looking at the front of the box here, this is actually a carrying case, but we have our 2 clickies playing basketball in this large picture here, and on the side we have them playing soccer and baseball and football. It doesn't look like their uniforms, or outfits rather, change very much. It looks like they just put on helmets or hats for the various sports, and doesn't look like there's a change at all in how they look for playing soccer and basketball, which is fine. That just means less accessories to have to worry about. But as you can see, there's just a little bit of a choking hazard warning here in French and in English, and then on the other side it's the suggested age range and how many pieces there are, which in this case it's 23. This is also what I forgot to do at the beginning was tell you the set number. This is 70313. And let's take a look over here on the side. Nothing here going on. I did not pay the price that it says right here. I actually got it for a little bit cheaper. That's why I got it, because I'm cheap. And has the barcode right here. And then on the other side we have the country of manufacture. And on the back we have a couple more pictures of our clickies. Well, playing soccer here. They're not much playing anything else. We've got another view of our African American clicky here, wearing his baseball uniform, and it just gives you the measurements of his height with the hat on. And then over here on the side, on the other side rather, there's a picture of all of the individual pieces. Now this one does come with a sheet of stickers with various numbers on it, so you can customize the shirts to have numbers. Like all sports figures when they wear their jerseys. The bottom here are all your choking hazards in various languages, and nothing here on the top. So looking at the contents right now, we've got the soccer goal, and then here's the instruction booklet, which I don't typically go over. And then here's the sheet of stickers. It's kind of stuck to the case here. There we go. So it doesn't really show up on camera, it doesn't look like, but there's white numbers up here. 2 sets of 1 through 0, and then a smaller set of 1 through 0 here. And then you have it in yellow as well. Then we go to the bag. We've got all the other materials here. I would like very much to put together the basketball net. So we're going to put that there. Oh, here's the basketball net itself. Here's the backboard. I didn't hear it click, but it's in. Oh, there it is. It unclicked. There we go. Then we have the post. And then we have the base. Wow, there's a click. Alright, let's take out our clickies. Alright. I like these. I like these guys in street clothes. That's cool. I like that. It's definitely gives you the impression that these are teenagers, or at least college kids. They're playing the game of basketball. I might knock these clickies over doing this. We've got the football. What is that? Oh, it's a baseball glove. The soccer ball, which is in 2 pieces, and the basketball, which is in 1 piece, and then we have the baseball and bat. All right, and then we have the support for the goal. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit tired. I had jury duty today. And boy, I couldn't wait to get out of there. But I'm pretty happy with how it went. Anyway, here's the goal all set up. Let's move that cylindrical cardboard thing out. And then the football helmets are cool. I've got one football player, part of one of the series figures, you know, the blind bag figures, and they released 2 of them, but I don't have the first one that came out. I do know he was wearing a blue uniform, and his helmet, if I remember correctly, it kind of resembled this one here with this sort of like monster beast looking thing face on the football. I'm not sure though. I mean, it's been a while since I looked at it. And then this one here, I'm not 100% sure what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. But yeah, either way, it's cool to have some new designs and some new helmets. But no matching uniforms. It would have been cool if these guys were given, you know, shoulder pads or something, just to beef it up, you know, make them look like they were actually part of a football team. Because I mean, if they're just playing in the field or in their yard after school, you know, why would they bother with helmets? Because, you know, I remember doing that with my friends, and I never wore a helmet. That would explain so much today. Kidding aside, here are the baseball helmets. Let's go ahead and put those on while we got them. And these 2 also have matching colors here to go with their uniform, or well, their outfits rather. Whoops. Whoa, this one. There we go. No klicky, but I got it on. Alright, this would have been kind of nice if they had the black around the grooves of the ball here, just so you could, you know, see it better, that it was a basketball. It otherwise just looks like a big old orange. But yeah, that's cool, man. I like this. I can't wait to do some photography with this. Although I do not like the fact that the ball is heavy enough to where the figure can't stand. And I don't know if this happens to both of them. Let me move the camera here. I got it a little too high. There we go. So he couldn't stand very well, but what about him? Whoops. Can I even get him to hold it? Yeah, it's in there. No, it looks like it could be the table. No, hold on. How come he's holding it? Could be the table, or it could have been me. Let's try it again. Let's try it with this other hand. He's holding it with his left hand on the box, so let's see if that makes any difference. No. No, he is not standing. That's disappointing. He's loose, so which is very unexpected for a new toy. He should not be loose like that. See how he's straight? Like the only way he can bend is if you bend him. But this one, not okay. I don't like that at all. I'm not going to worry about putting the numbers on right now. I really am not going to use them at all, ever, with you. But anyway, guys, we've got our multi-sport carry case set here with the basketball net and post and the soccer goal, the baseball helmets, the football helmets, and the balls and other materials that correspond with this particular sports here. That is a lot of fun. Very cool. I cannot wait to do something with this for my Instagram channel, which, by the way, if you don't follow it, just at least check it out. Hope you like it. If you do like it, please follow me on Playmobil.af. It's all Playmobil all the time. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'd appreciate it if you did. We've only got 18 subscribers as of this video, as of the filming of this video right now, and we're hoping to get a little bit higher. I'm not trying to go for nothing but subscribers here. I'm doing this all for the fun of and the love of Playmobil toys. But anyway, guys, that is it. Look very soon for another video or two. And thanks for watching in the meantime, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.